Hello viewer, we are in Photoshop, so let's use the features of Photoshop. We will create a shape on that picture and fill it with the color or a gradient. So we will create shapes on the all sides to create a border. So we will change the pattern of these shapes so that we can get uniqueness in the border. So that it is. For further, I will use eraser tool. We can erase it and also apply the filters. Using these filters, we will edit the image, but we have to go to the background to edit that image specifically. Here is the stylize option, create edges, edge brightness. Here is a smoothness, and also we have the petal knife, reticulation, stamp as well. So turn edges, waterpaper, watercolor as well.